Today's one is pineapple upside down pudding. So we will see how the pineapple upside down pudding is going to be like. I need a 10-inch tray and then you put an oil paper at the bottom. Thereafter, we have to use a lot of butter like this. I'm going to put the jaggery. Jaggery we are using roughly 150 grams, which we have to grate it slightly, no problem, grate it slightly and spread it all over. You must be knowing our country is a very warm country. Since it's a warm country, what will happen? The jaggery also will start melting. So, this is the problem. Now I have spreaded it out. Over that, again I am putting a little butter. Now I need pineapple. Cut into rings and then into halves. If you like, you can even use the canned pineapple rings, but that is cut with a cutter and have it. Center one is round, right round halves. This is very important for us to have it. So we will do the cake now. To make the cake, I need 200 grams of sugar. Already we have put 150 grams of jaggery. Now I am going to use only sugar. 225 grams of butter. Now what I am going to do is slowly I am going to beat. I have got 4 eggs, one by one. All 4 eggs. Now you can see, beat it well. First I put the sugar, butter, 200 grams sugar, 225 grams butter, 4 eggs, yolk and the whites together. Now what I am going to do is 225 grams of flour. I add that and sift it. While sifting, add the baking powder, 2 teaspoons. Alright, now we have mixed it. Now what I am doing is I am creaming it nicely. Again I am going to beat it. Since I am going to beat it again, cream it first. Nicely mix it. Otherwise all the flour will start splashing all over. If preferred, add a few cashew nuts also. Cashew nuts, that's about 60 grams of cashew nuts. Now, main thing is pineapple essence. 1 teaspoon of pineapple essence. Now we will beat it again. After adding the flour, cashew nuts, baking powder, we nicely beat it. One minute we beat it well, that's all. Now into this I am going to put the cake batter. It's lovely. It's going to be really delicious, I would say. This particular pudding, which I said upside down pudding. Now the mixture is ready. I have put into the tray. I am going to bake it now. Temperature 180 and we set it for 45 minutes. Bake it and we'll take it out. There is a small secret in this pudding. That is, once the cake is baked, 5 minutes you keep it with the tray, not more than that. If you keep more than that, it will get hard and you won't be able to remove because of the jaggery. So you loosen with the knife and quickly turn it over. Once it's turned it over, you can see the jaggery and the pineapple. And there are spaces which I am going to put the cherries to make it a little more colorful and nice. So this pineapple upside down pudding is really nice. Try it out and see how it will be. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will subscribe and like it so that I will give next week another big recipe for you.